Hello everyone. Today we will start our next chapter of geography, 10th chapter of geography, life in the deserts. This is NCERT class 7, chapter 10 of geography, life in the deserts. Desert, what is a desert? Desert means an arid region with extremely high or extremely low temperature. In desert there is a scarce vegetation is found here. Then, as we know that water means life to plants, animals and people. It is very difficult to live without water. Now we will talk about the people who lived without water, who lived with the extreme temperature, and where they lived with the temperature, with the very high temperature and with very low temperature. And in this we will be talking about two types of desert. One is the hot desert, the Sahara desert, and the cold desert, the Ladakh desert. As I have already told you, the desert means an arid region with extremely high or with extremely low temperature. Then very scarce vegetation is found in the deserts. We know that water means life to plants, animals and vegetation. It is difficult to live without water. Here we will talk about the people who lived in extreme temperature, with the temperature having too cold and with temperature having too high. Then we will talk about two types of deserts. One, the hot desert, and the other cold desert. In hot desert we will be talking about the Sahara desert, and in cold desert we will be talking about Ladakh desert. First of all we will talk about the hot desert. The hot desert is Sahara desert. This is the world's largest desert. Sahara desert is the world's largest desert. The area it covers is about 8.54 million square kilometers. The area covered by Sahara desert is 8.54 million square kilometers. Sahara desert is too much widely spread that the boundaries of Sahara touches 11 countries. Those countries are Algeria, Chad, Egypt, Libya, Mali, Mauritania, Morocco, Niger, Sudan, Tunisia and Western Sahara. All the boundaries of these countries touch with Sahara desert. It means it is widely spread. Now, when we will talk about desert, what picture comes at once in our mind? We have an image of sand in our mind when we people talk about deserts. Sahara desert is covered with gravel, but Sahara desert is not this type of desert that it is covered with sand only. It is a desert covered with gravel plains, elevated plateaus and bare rocky surface. So we are seeing that Sahara desert is the world's largest desert. The area of around here it is 8.54 million square kilometers. It touches, Sahara desert touches 11 countries. It means we can say it is so widely spread. Then when we talk about the deserts, picture of sand comes in our mind. But this is not the picture with Sahara desert. Here we can see the gravel plains, the elevated plateaus and bare rocky surfaces. As we are talking about the Sahara desert, now we will talk about the climate here. Scorching heat and perchy dry season is weather is found here. There are short rainy seasons and the sky is cloudless, means clear sky is there. Then days are unbelievably hot and nights may be freezingly cold. Then flora and fauna, cactus, date palms, acacia are found here. Then animal species of camel, hyena, jackal, foxes, scorpio, snakes and lizards are found here. We will repeat the climate. Scorching heat and parchy dry season is found here. Dry days are found here. Then short rainy seasons are found in this area. The sky is cloudless, means we can say clear sky is found in this region. The days are unbelievably hot and nights may be freezingly cold. Now, flora and fauna, cactus, date palm and acacia are found here. Then animal species of camel, hyena, jackal, foxes, scorpios, snakes and lizard are found in this region. Now we will come to the people. We will talk about the people of this region. Various groups of people live in this area. Nomadic tribes, the people, those who are nomadic tribes, they rear goat, sheep, camel and horses. These animals provide with them with milk. Then the hides of these animals are used for making leather belts, sleepers and water bottles. Then the hair of these animals is used to make mats, carpets, clothes and blankets. The people wear heavy robes as they protect them from dusty storm or hot waves or hot winds. Then Oasis here and Nile Valley in Egypt, they support settled population in this area. People grow date palms, crops like rice, wheat, barley and beans are grown here. Then famous Egyptian cotton grown here is worldwide famous thing. Then minerals like iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium are produced in this area. All producing areas are Algeria, Libya and Egypt. So we are seeing that various groups of people live in this area. The nomadic tribe, those who are nomadic tribes, they rear goat, sheep, camel and horses. The skin of these animals is used to make belts, sleepers and water bottles. These animals provide the people with milk. Apart from it, the hair of these animals is used to make mats, carpets, clothes and blankets. They people wear heavy robes to protect them from hot winds or dust storms. Then the crops grown here are rice, wheat, barley and beans are grown in this area. The Egyptian cotton grown in this area is very famous. Then minerals like iron, phosphorus, manganese and uranium are found here. Then the oil producing areas in this region are Algeria, Libya and Egypt. Now we will talk about the cold desert, that is Ladakh. It lies in the greater Himalayas on eastern side of Jammu and Kashmir. Several rivers flow in this area. Glacier like Gangri is also found here. The altitude varies from about 3000 meters in Kargil to more than 8000 meters in the Karakoram range. Then the climate is extremely cold and dry. Air is so thin that the heat of the sun can be felt intensely. Thus in summers the day temperatures are above 0 degree and night temperature will be below minus 30 degree. Then the freezing cold is there in winters. The winters are freezingly cold. This area experiences freezing winds and burning hot sunlight. Ladakh is also known as Khapa Chand, means snowland. Now comes flora and fauna. Due to high aridity, vegetation is very sparse. Scanty patches of grass and shrubs are there. These are used for the animals to graze. Then groves of willows and poplars are found here. In summers, the trees like apple, apricots and walnuts are grown here. Then species of birds like robins, red stars, Tibetan snowcoat, raven and hooper are there. The animals found here are wild goat, wild sheep and yak. The animals are reared for milk, meat and the hides because these things are used for making different things. Then yak's milk is used to make cheese and butter. Then hair of the sheep and goat is used to make woolens. Then we will talk about people. The people, either there are Muslims or Buddhist. We can say Muslims or Buddhist people live here. Buddhist monasteries are also found in this area. In summers, people are busy in cultivating barley, potatoes, peas, beans and turnip. And women are very much hardworking of this area. In winters, people are engaged in festivities and ceremonies. Women work in houses, fields and shops. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. The National Highway 1A connects Leh to Kashmir Valley. so many tourists go there to visit this place. People are becoming very modern. The people of this area are changing very fast. They are becoming very modern. They make a balance and harmony with nature. They live in making a balance and harmony with nature. So we have seen the people of this area are either Muslims or Buddhist. The ladies are very much hardworking. They work in house, fields and shops. People do cultivation of barley, potato, peas, beans and turnip. Leh is the capital of Ladakh. Tourists go there. The people of this area are changing very fast. They are becoming modern and they live in a balance and harmony with the nature. So this was all about the chapter Life in the Deserts. Thank you. Have a good day ahead.